Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stream live TV channels, watch your favorite cricket matches and football matches using only the VLC Media Player. So further ado, let's get started. First, go to your web browser and download the official VLC Media Player and install it from here. Then head back to your VLC Media Player. Head back to the media option. Now select the open network stream. Then it will ask you to enter a network URL. So we are going to close it from here for now. Now open your notepad and select this link and copy it from here. I will leave this link on the description, minimize it. Now again go to the VLC media player, select the media, open network stream and paste it here. After pasting, just click on the play option. Wait for a couple of seconds. Click on the pause option. Then you will see a small button here named toggle playlist. If you click on it, then you will see there are thousands of live TV channels available to stream. And if you click on the right corner, you will see the search option. Now, if we type Willow TV,
Good morning.
then we will be able to watch our favorite cricket matches from here. In same way, if we click on again on the toggle playlist, go to the search, type football, then we will be able to live stream directly from our computer. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more tech tutorials like this.